Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the highly requested gluten-free diet plan. Now this diet plan will contain lots and lots of gluten-free options for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and it's a very easy to follow diet plan and will definitely help you lose approximately 7 to 8 kgs in just 30 days, that is in just 1 month. It is very effective and contains lots and lots of vitamins, minerals, proteins and calcium in it. So without any delay, let's get started with the diet plan. Early morning, empty stomach. You will have warm lemon water with added cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder to it. Now this drink will help you detox your system and will help you stay hydrated. 15 minutes after this drink, we'll have 5 soaked almonds, 2 figs and 2 soaked walnuts in the morning. Now it's time for your breakfast. I'll give you 2 good options for breakfast, that is first, overnight oats. This is the best option that you can have for gluten-free breakfast as it contains lots and lots of calcium in it and is very easy to prepare and is best for those who tend to skip their breakfast due to hurry in the morning. The recipe to gluten-free overnight oats is in the description box below. You can check it out from there and is very easy to prepare. Or you can also have my favorite banana oats pancake. Now it is very easy to prepare. All you need is gluten-free oats, banana, cinnamon powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond milk, or you can also use the low-fat milk and some honey. Now to prepare this all you need is blend all these ingredients in a mixture and prepare a thick batter out of it. Now pour this batter on a non-stick pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Your delicious banana oats pancake are ready. Now they are so delicious and so easy to prepare and it hardly takes 5 minutes to prepare them all. So have oats banana pancakes. Now it's time for your mid-morning snack. For the mid-morning snack, we'll have fat cutter green coffee. Now I have tried tremendous brands of green coffee, but by the taste, by the quality and by the results, I prefer New Herbs green coffee. Now it is so delicious and very easy to prepare as well. Green coffee has tremendous amount of benefits. First, it reduces bloating. Second, it boosts your metabolism to a very different level. Third, it is a natural fat cutter and cuts your fat from the body like anything. And also you will start feeling and seeing the results within a day or two. So try green coffee. To buy it, click the link in the description box below and enjoy your mid-morning snack. Now, 15 minutes before your lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Now I have been getting a lot of complaints from you people that apple cider vinegar is very difficult to drink as it is so acidic. So I've come across with a great option for you all. Now what you can do is have this apple cider vinegar. It is apple cider vinegar with honey. It does not taste at all sour and is also very easy to drink before lunch. So have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water to cut your belly fat and also to clean your digestive system as soon as possible. For your lunch, I have delicious gluten-free options for you. The first one being ragi roti with any seasonal vegetable along with freshly prepared raita, added salad to it. Now you can prepare ragi roti with warm water to prepare it smooth and soft and have it with a seasonal veg and some freshly prepared raita. Or you can also have ragi parantha. How to prepare this parantha? All you need to do is you need ragi flour, you need chopped vegetables. I prefer onions, coriander leaves, some grated radish or carrot or capsicum, and add a pinch of black pepper powder and pink Himalayan salt to it for taste. Prepare a dough out of it and then prepare the chapatis on a non-stick pan. And your delicious ragi parantha, gluten-free and best for weight loss, is ready to have. Have it with raita or green chutney as per your own choice, and you love having these lunch options. Now it's time for your mid-evening snack, for which you can have a fruit smoothie. Now you can prepare smoothie out of any fruit choices. I personally prefer pineapple, orange, apple. Prepare a good and thick smoothie out of it with yogurt and with no added sugar or anything to it, and you will love having this drink as your mid-evening snack. It will definitely help you lose lots and lots of amount of weight and will help you control your sugar craving in this diet plan. Fruits definitely give lots and lots of glow to your skin and will also keep you hydrated for the longer time of the day. Now it's time for your dinner. We'll do a star night and have our dinner at approximately 7 to 7:30 p.m. for which we'll have quinoa pulao. Now quinoa is a definitely very healthy gluten-free grain that helps you lose weight fast and soaks the water content in your body and helps reduce the bloating in your body. So prepare a salad or a pulao out of it. Cook the quinoa in a normal form with 2 cups of water. Now to prepare a pulao, you can add roasted veggies to it, or to prepare a salad, you can add the cucumber, tomato, some corns and some onions to it, and add the seasoning as per your own choice. You'll love having these delicious recipes for your breakfast, lunch and dinner, and will definitely help you lose very good amount of weight from your body. Do not forget to stay hydrated entire day for this diet plan. To reduce all the water retention and also to keep you hydrated for the entire day, you need to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water each day. To buy anything listed in this diet plan, click the description box below and you can buy everything online. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of my diet plans or any of the recipes mentioned in this video, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and click the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post or upload a new video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram as I upload and post on my Instagram stories daily how my diet goes each and every day and what I prepare for my meal. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy and stay fit always.